Hey everybody, Eve here. I've got a delicious micro sprout dressing recipe for all of you today. Homemade, my own recipe, delicious, especially on arugula micro sprouts. I imagine you could have them, it would be delicious on kale micro sprouts too. Any micro sprout that has sort of a bitter flavor does really well with sweet vinaigrette dressings. And this is a very low calorie dressing too. And I want you to see my sprouts. Look at these beautiful arugula sprouts. What's amazing about sprouts is from germination to harvest, it's about 10 days. I mean, wow, you can't beat that. This is living food for a living body. Now, you don't eat these, and you don't cut these, rather, until you're ready to eat them, because you want to keep them living. Right now, this is alive. This is a living thing, and it takes living enzymes to feed living cells, and everything in your body is alive. So why would you feed it dead? Feed it life. The Genesis 1:29 way, which I'll do some more videos in the future about that. But back to the delicious micro sprout dressing, vinaigrette dressing, sweet vinaigrette dressing recipe. So what I have in it, and let me see if I can see this, 2 tablespoons of ginger syrup. Now I make my own, and it's basically you just take whole ginger, you grate it up very fine, you put it in a kettle, a double boiler's preferable. You put it all in a mason jar. You put the ginger, and then you add some glycerin, and basically just cover. Amount, that's entirely up to you. If you want to make a small amount, make a small amount. Make a large amount, make a large amount. Everything's up to you. You just basically take, I'll tell you what. I'll tell you how to make the ginger syrup in the description under the video also. Everything will be there. The recipe for the fabulous, and this is basically Mandarin orange. Now, everything's organic, and it's 100% Mandarin orange juice in here with ginger syrup and what else? I'm having a brain fart. Oh, and 4 tablespoons of white balsamic vinaigrette. So that's it. It's very simple, very delicious, and I'm going to have it. I'm also going to add some strawberries and cheeses, vegan cheeses, and nuts to this dressing. To this salad. And oh, I hope it's delicious. I'm pretty sure it will be. I haven't been wrong yet. So if you like this recipe, then give me a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because that's something I noticed on YouTube. There just aren't enough micro sprout dressing recipes. I mean, you're going to eat the sprouts with nothing? I mean, there's a few, 1 or 2, but I haven't seen very many. So I thought, this needs to be addressed. And eat those sprouts, and Christ's blessings upon each and every one of you. Till next time, bye.